Climate change has affected everything. It can be impacted in both negatively and positively ways, but in context with both interviews, I came to the conclusion that both interviewees viewed climate change to be a wicked problem. Climate change does not only affect individuals in Western Australia, but it affects individuals all around the globe. But it also impacts animals and how they live. It will ruin animals' habitats and will also decrease the food production for us humans, no matter if you are vegetarian, pescatarian, or a meat lover. That's one of the negative reasons on why climate change is important. This topic on climate change is a positive outcome to teach students in Western Sydney the impacts and effects of climate change. My three key findings were that there needs to be advanced policies to fight climate change, reduce carbon emissions, and to help people and nature to adapt to the climate change. Just like one of the interviewers mentioned, that the government needs to take notice of the climate change and help individuals across the globe and nature to adapt to the changing climate. I came to the conclusion that there impacts and effects of climate change, some of them including rising temperatures in both minimizing and maximizing levels, sea rising levels due to global warming and increase in heavy participations, which is heavy rain or heavy hail. Climate change refers to changes in the changes in the Earth's climate, including changes which are result in human activities. Similarly, global warming refers to increase in the temperatures of the Earth's atmosphere to carbon emissions and the greenhouse effect, which is how I came to the conclusion that there needs to be a reduction of carbon emissions. So once again, my three findings were that the government needs to take place and to fight climate change, to reduce carbon emissions, and to help people and nature adapt to climate changes. One of the other interviewees mentioned that there will be a poor food production if climate change does change dramatically. So the poor food production will be that there will be less crops if there was a drought to occur, or to have heavy rain, or to have heavy hail. And once climate changes affects humans and nature's habitats, there will be so if climate change does affect humans and nature and animals' habitats, there will be poor production for both. So animals will not have any food to eat, which causes them to become more slimmer. And when us humans do get the resources, it won't be enough to provide for everyone.